Want to see the fastest way I'd use a Temu coupon when I'm going after free gifts? Start with the coupon, not after you've built your cart, not at checkout. First, open Temu and activate the coupon code on the screen. That's your starting point. Why? Because if the free gift promotion involves a qualifying purchase, I'd rather have my discount ready before I decide what I'm buying. Now open the free gift section. This is where you check what's actually available on your account. You might see different gifts, different requirements, or different promotional options, so don't waste time trying to copy somebody else's exact screen. Use what's available to you. Next, pick a gift you genuinely want. Don't just choose the most expensive item because it says free. Look at the requirements first. Some promotions may require a qualifying order or additional steps before the reward is confirmed. Now here's where the coupon comes back into play. If you need to make that qualifying purchase, check your coupon before checkout. You want the discount applied to the order you're already making. That's how you turn the promotion into a better overall deal instead of simply chasing the word free. And here's the important part. The coupon doesn't necessarily mean the gift appears instantly with zero conditions. The exact promotion depends on what Temu is currently showing your account. So think of the coupon as your first move, not a magic button. My quick formula: activate the coupon, open free gift, pick something you actually want, check the requirements, apply your discount, complete the offer. If the final deal makes sense, that's it. No complicated hacks, no hunting through 20 random codes. Just start with the coupon and work from the promotion that's actually available to you. And honestly, that's the biggest advantage. You're not blindly chasing a free label, you're making the entire deal work harder for you. Activate the coupon on the screen first, then check your free gift offers and see what your account unlocks.